Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your voice with AI. So first of all, I have my video that I want to replace the audio of. Let me just play it. And here is the video.
Hello, are you one of the restaurant owners complaining about the high commissions being charged by food delivery apps?
So let's say I just want to replace the first part of that video. Now in order to do that, you must have a video editor. I will be using CapCut as it's free and easy to use. You can just simply install it from their website. Just open up the editor. And once you're in the editor, just create a new project and import that video. There it is. Just click on open and drop it in the timeline. Just zoom in a bit, and after that, in order to extract the audio from the video, click on Ctrl+Shift+S and the audio will be separated. Now in here, you will have to isolate the part that you want to replace the voice of with AI. Select and delete the rest of the audio. I'm just gonna delete this gap as well. I'm just gonna place my timeline bar here. Click on Ctrl B again and delete this part as well. Now after you separated the audio file, just simply delete the video as well. And after you've gotten your audio, just click on export. Now in this menu, untick the video option and take the audio option right here and leave the format at MP3. And after that, just click on export. So here it has been exported. Now after it has been exported, click on OK, minimize the editor, open up Google, and in Google type in 11 labs. Hit enter, go to the website. Now once you're at 11 labs, you will have to make yourself an account, and after that you will be at this interface right here. Now in here, select speech to speech. Now once you're in speech to speech, just click on upload audio and upload the extracted audio file. Right here, just click on it and click on open. Now after the audio file has been uploaded, you will have to select your voice actor. Just click on it and choose anyone you want. I will go for Arnold. Just click on it. Now after that, leave the model at 11 multilingual V2 and reduce the stability to 30%. Leave everything as it is, and after that just hit on generate speech. Now after the voiceover has been done, just download it by just clicking on this button right here. Now after that audio file has also been downloaded, come back to the editor and upload the same video again and extract the audio again. Now after you extracted your audio, upload that downloaded audio file as well. Just drag and drop it right here and add it to the timeline as well. Now after you have uploaded the downloaded audio and you have also added it to the timeline, you will have to just click on it and place it below the part of the original audio that you want to replace. I want to replace this first part, so I'm just going to place it below here and make sure that the sound waves coincide with each other so that the video comes out perfectly in sync. After you have placed your audio file perfectly in sync, just mute the original audio by just clicking on this button and play the video to confirm that the voiceover is perfectly in sync.
Hello, are you one of the restaurant owners complaining about the high commissions being charged by food delivery apps?
Now as you guys can see, the video was perfectly in sync. Now to remove that part of the original audio, what you have to do is to just place this timeline cursor at the point where you want to remove the original audio from and click Ctrl B and remove this part, basically delete it. After you deleted the original audio part, unmute the track, and now you have successfully replaced your voice with AI. I'm just gonna play it for you guys.
Hello. Are you one of the restaurant owners complaining about the high commissions being charged by food delivery apps?
We completely understand.
So as you can see, there was a complete change in voice and also that the audio was perfectly in sync with the video. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can replace your voice with AI. Hope you guys liked it. So watching. Bye.